What is up, guys? I hope you have an absolutely awesome day today. Like, I seriously hope you have an awesome day. It's currently 8 p.m. outside. It's dark and I'm now starting this vlog because since I woke up I've literally been doing nothing but editing. Every second of the day went towards editing. Even when I was eating lunch, I was editing while I was eating lunch, and I just finished like 5 minutes ago. I just finished editing the 2 videos for Quadrums. I still have the 3 weddings and the wedding videos to edit, so I'll start that not tomorrow. Tomorrow is Elise's birthday. So, well, actually, when you're seeing this, it's currently Elise's birthday. So leave a comment below, pause right now and leave a comment below telling her happy birthday, wishing her happy birthday and stuff. Not sure what we'll be doing tomorrow, but I won't be editing tomorrow. We'll be chilling tomorrow, and then Friday I'll start back. And yeah, I had no idea these two videos would take this long. I kind of underestimated how much time I would need to edit it. I was working pretty fast. So Elise is coming over to chill. Thank you very much, Nexus, for interrupting me. Yeah, Elise is coming over to chill. Every Christmas we usually play Call of Duty for all night, whole day, whole night, everything. And we've been craving it, so she's coming over to chill tonight. She'll most likely be spending the night. When she spends the night, she sleeps in my room and I sleep in my brother's room. So we'll be playing a lot of Call of Duty today. I still have to unbox the iPad Pro. I didn't even take it out of the package yet because I've been so busy, but I want to do that tonight and check it out. So let's see, today's vlog started late, but I still have a lot of things to do. I'm currently cleaning up my horrible pigsty of a room. It's extremely nasty. I don't want Elise to sleep in this filth. So I'm cleaning it up now and she'll be here just now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little while.
Hello. Okay, Papa. Yeah, it's
Emily?
Mama.
You on the phone? Who are you talking to?
Hello? They want to speak to you.
What happened?
What happened? Nothing happened, baby.
Show the vloggy ball. They can't see, you have to hold it the other side. They only see in your fingers. You have to hold it like this. They can see it now. You sleepy?
That's right.
What?
What?
Why do you sound so calm? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's come after 10? 11. You sleepy? Just chilling here on the ground. Sing a song. Sing roll, roll, roll your boat. Roll. Ball? Tell the vlog bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I thought you would cry.
Say bye-bye vlog.
Bye-bye.
Vlog.
Say see you later. Say have a good day. Honk, honk, honk. Honk.
Honk. Honk.
Honk, honk. Ow!
Ow! Time to finally unbox this. Although it feels extremely light, though I can lift it with one finger. Really like. Also, shout out to Titty Surf because this is possible because of them. So I'll leave their links and stuff in the description for you to check them out. Thank you very much for making noise while closing the window. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Okay, time to open it. Time to open my knife like a boss. Boss. Okay, time to open this as neat as humanly possible. Okay, have to hold this knife like a. How satisfying is that? How satisfying is that? A perfect rectangle. Okay, I guess it doesn't want to be opened. Hold on. Stop rushing me. Look how big this is. It blocks my entire face. Not bad. Put this aside. Just kidding, everyone puts it aside, but you really want to see this, so I don't care what's in the box. I do care about the box, so treat it with love. Okay, time for the most pleasing possible part of any unboxings. Ready? That satisfaction. Oop, I got a fingerprint on it. We have to care about the plastic as well. This thing is huge. Look how huge this is. It probably can't even fit in the screen. See?
I'm having problems with focusing here.
Yeah, the Nexus 6 does give some focus problems. You can touch the focus. Whoa! Whoa! Huge. Hello. Okay, I shall set up and get back to you. BRB. Guess which Wi-Fi network is mine? Not this one. Not this one. Oh, is it TextMash? Whoa, TextMash did disappear, so it can't be that one. Oh yes, let me just connect to FBI surveillance van number 328. That is probably lurking outside my house. Okay, so first impressions on the iPad Pro. This is the iPad Pro. Look how huge it is compared to my head. And there's still a 4x4, a 4x5 icon grid. I don't see how that makes any sort of sense. I showed my mom it and her first impressions were like, why would someone buy this? Oh shucks. So let us hear what this Alice's first impressions now. So Alice just discovered drawing. Oh, and she discovered flipping the screen too, apparently. Who is that?
I don't know how to draw an icon.
Let's go in the full review, eh?
No.
So this is how the iPad Pro looks. And this is how it looks after Elise uses it. Nice one, Elise. So you guys remember a while back when I went on Synergy TV Live to talk about TextMash, not the one with the band, when I went to talk about TextMash. So the guy emailed me and said, actually he called me and said he wanted to start like a tech. I think it's a tech, like 2 days for the week. It would be like, if let's say it's Tuesday and Thursday, a tech Tuesday and a tech Thursday, where they would use, like, I would create a video because it's really far and I'd have to reach at like 4 a.m. to do it live. So I'd create a video basically running down everything new that happened in tech recently and they would air that live. And he just sent me the intro for it and it looks awesome. It just has these like tech thingies. Thank you very much, Tom. It just has these tech thingies and then it just switches to Tech Talk with, and then switches to my YouTube Tech Smash intro. I love it. I love it. So I'll give you guys an update on that when it's coming out and when it will be starting. It will probably be starting sometime this week. I hope so. I'm really excited for it. So we'll see what happens. I just had to share that with you because I just opened the email and saw the intro, and I am extremely excited, and Elise is too. It is her birthday though. Happy birthday, Elise! Heading to bed now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.